The bonang is a musical instrument used in the Javanese gamelan. It is a collection of small gongs placed horizontally onto strings in a wooden frame either 1 or 2 rows wide. All of the kettles have a central boss, but around it the lower pitched ones have a flattened head, while the higher ones have an arched one. Each is tuned to a specific pitch in the appropriate scale. Thus there are different bone for pelog and slendro. They are typically hit with padded sticks. This is similar to the other cradled gongs in the gamelan, the kethuk, kempyang, and kenong. Bonang may be made of forged bronze, welded and cold hammered iron, or a combination of metals. In addition to the gong-shaped form of kettles, economical bone made of hammered iron or brass plates with raised bosses are often found in village gamelan, in Suriname-style gamelan, and in some American gamelan. In central Javanese gamelan there are 3 types of bonang used. Bonang panorus is the highest of them, and uses the smallest kettles. It generally covers 2 octaves, covering approximately the same range as the saran and peking combined. It plays the fastest rhythms of the bonang either interlocking with or playing at twice the speed of the bonang barung. Bonang barung is pitched 1 octave below the bonang panorus, and also generally covers 2 octaves, approximately the same range as the demung and saran combined. This is one of the most important instruments in the ensemble, as it gives many of the cues to other players in the gamelan. Bonang penembung is pitched the lowest. It is more common in Javanese-style gamelan, covering approximately the same range as the slendro and demung combined. When present in Suriname-style gamelan, may have only has 1 row of 6 or 7 kettles sounding in the same register as the slendro. It is reserved for the most austere repertoire, typically playing a paraphrase of the balangan. The parts played by the bonang barung and bonang panorus are more complex than many instruments in the gamelan. Thus, it is generally considered an elaborating instrument. Sometimes it plays melodies based on the balangan, though generally modified in a simple way. However, it can also play more complex patterns, obtained by combining barung and panorus patterns, such as the alternation of interlocking parts and the interpolation of florid melodic patterns. The kolonang, a bonang whose single row of kettles is laid out in a V or U shape, is a leading melodic instrument in the Sundanese gamelan digung. The bonang is similar to the Balinese rung and the single-row kulintang of the southern Philippines and Borneo. References. External links, bonang page, including audio, http, homepages Kiawiskid Bonang HTML.